Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the language of the Glovo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, you should go to your phone's settings, scroll down till you find the Glovo application and click on it. Now you should go to the preferred language section and click on language. Here you can choose from the suggested or other languages if you scroll down. So just simply tap on the relevant one that you would like to change it for. If you are done with it, you should go back to your homepage and open the application, and now you will see that the language has been updated on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.